In front of me is Honor 70, and today I would like to show you how you can use pop-up view on this Honor smartphone. First of all, you need to hold one of your apps that you wish to use in this view. I will go with Chrome. Then tap on this square button to access background apps and click on the top right corner of your app. As you can see, after that I can use it in this little window. If you wish to move it around, you can do that by holding the top line and dragging it. If you wish to use it overlay the other app, click on Home button, tap on the other one, tap on the bubble and operate in both at the same time. If you wish to close your window, you need to click on the bubble, hold this lower line and swipe it up in order to close it, or swipe it down in order to make your app full screen. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!